The Rip-Away EMT pouch and Rip-Away Lite pouch are essential pieces of equipment for your first aid needs. They are composed of quality nylon with high-speed function in mind. They maintain durability throughout any scenario. The front face features MOLLE webbing to allow for modular attachments in addition to a hook and loop identification panel. At the top of each pouch is an essential grab handle. The dual sliding zippers ensure your items can be obtained quickly and are safely stored throughout your operation. The Rip-Away has a tri-fold design to allow for maximum storage and a large mesh pocket for identification. The Rip-Away Lite has a unique clamshell opening that allows for simple storage and deployment. Elastic keepers and divider pockets allow for optimal internal storage. It includes an adjustable strap with quick release buckle closure so the pouch can be secured into place. The Rip-Away feature on these EMT pouches are their most important quality. This function enables rapid deployment and storage to keep your equipment within hand's reach while in the field. When every second matters, the Rip-Away EMT and the Rip-Away EMT Lite are the kits you can trust.